Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Konkanilearning. Today we are going to learn sentences based on the topic rainy days. So before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and show your love and support to my channel and start learning Konkani with me. So let's start. Rainy days. In Konkani we say पावसाचे दिस. पावसाचे दिस. It is going to rain. In Konkani we say पाऊस पडपाचो आसा. पाऊस पडपाचो आसा. पाऊस means rain. पडपाचो आसा means it is going to. It's raining very heavily. खूप पाऊस पडटा. खूप पाऊस पडटा. खूप पाऊस means heavy rain. Don't go out in the rain. पावसान भायर वचनाका. पावसान भायर वचनाका. भायर means out. वचनाका means don't go. पावसान means in the rain. Take your umbrella and go. तुझी सत्री घे आणि वच. तुझी सत्री घे आणि वच. तुझी सत्री means your umbrella. घे means take. आणि means and. वच means go. I love rain. माका पाऊस आवडटा. माका पाऊस आवडटा. I don't like rain. माका पाऊस आवडना. माका पाऊस आवडना. आवडना means don't like. Do you like rain? तुका पाऊस आवडटा. तुका पाऊस आवडटा. आवडटा means like. I wanted to go out. माका भायर वचूंक जाय आसले. माका भायर वचूंक जाय आसले. माका means I. भायर means out. वचूंक जाय आसले means wanted to go. I don't have raincoat. In Konkani we say माझ्या कडेन रेनकोट ना. माझ्या कडेन रेनकोट ना. Can you please give me your umbrella? माका तुझी सत्री दिता. माका तुझी सत्री दिता. माका means me. तुझी means your. सत्री means umbrella. Dita means can you give. Don't get wet in the rain. पावसान भिजनाका. पावसान भिजनाका. भिजनाका means don't get wet. पावसान in the rain. I love to play in the rain. माका पावसान खेळपाक आवडटा. माका पावसान खेळपाक आवडटा. खेळपाक means to play. आवडटा means like. We love to eat pakoda, corn, peanuts during rainy season. पावसाच्या दिसांनी आमकां भजी, मको, भिकणा खावपाक आवडटा. पावसाच्या दिसांनी आमकां भजी, मको, भिकणा खावपाक आवडटा. पावसाच्या दिसांनी means rainy days. Amka means we. Bhaji means pakoda. Mako means corn. Bhikna means peanuts. Khaupak means to eat. Avatta means like or love. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button and share your comments for the same. Thank you.